Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs, and just a little bit of a teaser here and a reminder that Stephen and Walter Live will be on the air at 4 o'clock today, Sunday, January the 14th, and that's 4 o'clock Central Time or Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so Canada time, whatever. Need more coffee. We'll be drinking something stronger tonight. Anyways, we have lots to tell you about, and the biggie thing that we want to discuss with you is what happened to our old iPhones. It's a bit of a mystery, but there is a resolution to the mystery. So stay tuned for that. We're going to feature a couple of people who have written to us and told us a little bit about themselves. We've got a whole lot of discussion about quilting and other projects been working on. And what have we been watching? What have we been eating? What have we been doing? And, well, you know, it's all about us. So I hope you can join us today, Sunday, January the 14th. Hey, this is my half birthday. 6 months from now, I grow another year older. Oh, well, what a thought. Anyways, join us today at 4 o'clock if you can. Looking forward to seeing you all. Bye for now.